Yes, hi, good morning guys, what's going on? My name is Lamar Carter and I'm making this video doing a Textbot review. So I'm going to sign into Textbot. I joined Textbot, this is the Textbot A.I. Textbot, it costs $100 to join, and I'm going to sign in. Let me sign in to show you what the back office is like, and I'm going to show you the results in our Facebook group too as well. Let you know this is a real program. This is a text messaging marketing system to help anybody in any other business that they want to join. Plus you can make additional income with this opportunity too as well. And I'm going to log in. Let me show you what it's like. So let me see. So now I'm logging into my back office, and this is what it is right here. And yeah. So I'm joining Able Basic. This is Able. Once you join, you have your referral link. I have my referral link here. Because once you join, you're gonna have you can be assigned a phone number too as well. This is my number here that you could actually promote to other people too as well. And this is where you get your leads. You got your lead section. Now, I recently joined this here, so you leads, you have basics, and then you come once you join, you click on the get help tab, and you got news and update, and you have company videos. Click on this one here, and you have resources too as well. The resources basically to help you, show you how to promote your business, whether you're promoting it on Facebook. You click here, watch this video. You know, this video is not playing so well. When my laptop is not working so properly, so the video is not going to work. It's only going to work properly on my phone, so not on my laptop. So we have testimonials of people having success, and you have email swipes. You already have email swipes in here. This will save you a ton of time. And you have solo ad copy, and you have social media posts that you could come and post in, trying to do an advertisement of this opportunity. And they have quick links. Click here and quick links right here, and have your profile. And this is my profile. You come here and create your contact info, payment methods, and click here and payment methods too as well. And you could decide however you want to get paid. Whether it be on PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. You can save your payment method. I decided I want to get paid through PayPal, so you see. And so enter your payment method, whether it's PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Apple Cash, credit card, Bitcoin, or Zelle. I save my payment method. Save how you want to get paid, and if you want help, click on get help. We've got news and updates. You see via social. We've got Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Let me see what else. They have the resellers. As I say, you got my links, the presentation. You know, all your options, who registered to watch the presentation. Well, nobody ain't really registered, not yet for me, but I recently joined this year. And let me show you our Facebook group. And once you join, you get this is our Facebook group right here. And I'm gonna place my link in the description for you to join if you want to join under me. Jeff, this program has been created by Jeff Long. And you know, in our Facebook group we have over 3,300 members. And let me see, people posting. Let me show you what people posting. Textbot A.I. You got money ahead of your via PayPal. The James Farber. I joined on the James Farber. Well, let's see. You're showing proof. People are showing the proof on the Facebook group. Advertisement. Let me see. Invite. Let me speak myself. Tarika. She just not recently joined. Alright, good live. We just hit my goal of 50,000 in 5 months with Textbot A.I. My next goal is 75,000. Let's finish the year out strong. Now is not the time to relax. Let's grind. Champions are made in the fourth quarter. Success is the only option. So once you join, you'll be making payment. You're gonna show your payment proof in the Facebook group. So people having success with this. Gentleman just posted 60,000 in sales. You got motivational videos, got mindset videos too as well. Person earned $30,000. Well, people are making money quick with this opportunity. You just gotta grind, do your promotion, go out there, follow the training. And people that are posting resumes looking for work, and then to call and take the button number. So it's not $150 note instead of $100. Well, the certainly price is gonna go up. Take $100 to join, $100 to join still. So that's it. So you can paste my link in the description. Once you join, come in. You're gonna want to see the video. Let me see. Yeah, the basic. Let's see setting. Setting. You've got custom keywords. You could add to your business and stuff like that. You can create custom keywords, and this is the whole Textbot marketing system. Well, I'm gonna paste my link in the description down below. Join under me, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna paste my link in the description down below. You got help and come and watch the videos. Got resources. Got to contact us, and you got via social. You got for plus resellers. You got presentation, commission. Number from the board. Yeah, thanks for watching anyhow. And obviously join this opportunity. You can make $100 over and over. Watch the presentation video and place the link down below. Come and watch it, come and check it out.